this is in concern to the families of 11 Indians who are stuck in Russia. Now, their families are going to reach India Gate today, and they will be meeting the officials of the Ministry of External Affairs. Families of the 11 Indians stuck in Russia at the war zone will be at India Gate today, and they will be meeting Ministry of External Affairs officials and demand intervention with Russia to seek the return of their men. Remember, viewers, this is coming after we already lost one Indian in the Russian war. Let's now go across to Riyanka, who's joining us on the phone line. In fact, she's joining us live from the ground at India Gate. Riyanka, very good morning to you. What time are these families expected to arrive there at India Gate, and who from the Ministry of External Affairs is going to be entertaining them?
Right, Kriti, as of now, what we are getting to know at around 8 a.m., the kin of around 11 of these Indian youths who have been continuing to be stuck at the Russia-Ukraine border for the ongoing war that is there happening, continuing to be in place. Their families are once again going to be, coming at the national capital central area in the India Gate, and then from there around at 8 a.m. they will be, moving forward to meet with officials of the MEA. As of now, there is no clarity on which official of the MEA are they going to meet with, but that is in the agenda that they are coming here once again. Remember, earlier during the beginning of the parliament, the kin of these 11 people who have been stuck in the war zone, they had come in to the national capital. They had flew in from places like Haryana, Karnataka, and they wanted their issues to be raised in the parliament as well. But that did not happen, which is why they have been pushing for the MEA to take steps against it. Now, let me give you a bit of, who are these people. 6 of the 11 men who are stuck in the Russia hail from the same village in Haryana's Kaithal. The other 5 are from Karnataka, Telangana and Jammu and Kashmir. Now, this is what we are seeing, and these families are hoping for the return of their children who are stuck in the war zone. In fact, the MEA earlier had said that they had got back 10 of the Indians who were stuck in Russia, and these families wanted the MEA to release the names of those 10 who were brought back, but their children, their family members continue to be stuck in the war zone, and we are expecting the movement to take place at around 8 a.m. at India Gate. We will be getting our viewers the voices also of these families around roughly 1 hour from now when the gathering happens at India Gate. Kriti.